Making money is easier these days because with just your smartphone, your internet connection, and the right information, you can make as much as a 1 million naira in seconds. But you need the right information and you need to apply it correctly. On this site, this is one of the companies I work with, three of them, but this is one of it. And this site has actually rewarded me over 80,000 naira in just few days I began. I've also helped over 600 persons began. Let me show you my people I have helped to begin. Over 600 persons I have helped to begin this in just few days I started. So registration is free and this is what you need to do. You get my link or the link of any of my downlines that invites you, and you copy it to a browser. This is because most times Chrome don't perform well in accessing these sites. So you copy it and go to a browser. It can be Kiwi, it could be Mozilla Firefox, could be any browser, Brave, or any other browser you use aside Chrome. Then you register using your email or a phone number. After registration, you will be brought to this site. You'll be brought to this site, and this is what you have to do. This is our home page. This is the scan where you connect your WhatsApp. This is the mine, and I'm going to be explaining every of them one after the other. Now on this home page, this is the invite. If you want to invite your friends to get your invitation link, you come here, you copy your invite. Then the next thing to do here is to come to your scan. You come to your scan. If you have two phones and one of the WhatsApp you want to use is on one phone, you can click on link with QR code. But if you have just one smartphone and you have one WhatsApp, one smartphone, you come to link a phone number. Okay, you remove this 880 because the code for Nigeria is +234. You add any number you want to add, removing the first zero because 234, the next initial that is supposed to come in is the second initial. After imputing your correct phone number, WhatsApp number, you click on get key and 8 numbers are going to display. It could be 888, it could be 777, it could be 666. When that is done, you come over to your WhatsApp, click on the 3 dots by the top right, click on link devices, click on link a device and use mobile data. The next thing to click on, use your mobile data. Don't use Wi-Fi for this, please. Ensure to use your mobile data. Use your mobile data, then link a device, link with phone number instead. Okay, then add the numbers you are given, add all of it there. Make sure it is correct, else you will not be able to get it and you will need to regenerate a code. So add the correct number and click on go. Now I couldn't link this device because the number I added there isn't the WhatsApp number I used. Okay, when that is done, you come back to your Just Cash WhatsApp mining site. You go to mine and you click on account list. This is how to know if your account is active online. The WhatsApp number I use is banned. If not, you would have seen online one, but you are seeing account one because I have just one account and I am offline. That is why it is 0. Once my WhatsApp is on ban, I am going to reconnect it. I also experience WhatsApp ban. That was why I taught you how to resolve the issue. Next, you come to cash out. If you want to place a withdrawal or add your bank details, that is where you're going to use. You're going to see add new bank, add your bank details, where they ask you for bank card number. That is your account number. So that is what you need to do there. Okay, you can check on leadership board, but I don't bother coming here. All right, so that is what you need to do. You can check the system notification to also join their Telegram channel. In case you're not there, you'll be having more detailed explanations on what to do, how to do it. The next thing to do is to check on revenue details, so you see how your money is coming in. So for everybody you invite, they need to stay active for 24 to 72 hours. Your withdrawal details is how much you've withdrawn, when did you withdraw, and every amount you're seeing here has been paid to me. I have received it into my account. I placed a withdrawal just this morning of 17,000. Yesterday, before making this video, I placed a withdrawal of 20,000, and that is how I've been placing withdrawals every day. Even after payment today, I am still earning, because before the water ban, my account has been active for days. Even when they ban it and I send a review, they unban it, I still come back to link my WhatsApp. So to everybody you also invite, please tell them to stay active for the next 24 hours to 72 hours to make sure their account is mining for you and for them. If you don't invite friends, your earnings are going to be slow. So try as much as possible to invite as much people as you are inviting. The least withdrawal on this site is 5,500 naira. You can place a withdrawal of 5,500 naira every day. Withdrawal is 10 times a day, so long as you make the desired amount to withdraw. You can change your password if you want to change your password. You can also check your downlines to see how far you have gone and the energy you are putting in. So this is what you need to do. You can click on invite friends to get your invitation link. Invite your friends. If you can't teach them the way I am teaching you, simply ask me for the channel link so you can add them to the channel. So that is all for this video. If you're not following me on Facebook and you're on Facebook, please follow me on Facebook. Invite friends to these opportunities, earn money, gather the money, and begin your business. Thank you for watching this video. See you on my other videos. Bye for now.